Hello and welcome to an introduction to programming in Python. We will first start by defining what programming is. So programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. Programming can be done using a variety of computer programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, and C++. You see, the same way that you actually undertake to do a particular task, probably it is cooking, or probably it is just any task that you go about in your day-to-day life. You have to come up with a step-by-step procedure on how to achieve that task, and that is the same thing with programming. You just write a set of instructions that are supposed to help tell a computer how to perform a particular task. So the advantages of knowing how to program are: number one, programming can help you understand technology. I'm pretty sure that you've interacted with computers or mobile phones, and these computers and mobile phones have applications within them. So these applications have all been developed by programmers, and they sat down and actually wrote a set of instructions that told a computer how to perform a particular task. If the task is to manipulate Word documents, then that is how programming came into action, and helped the programmers come up with such a solution. Programming as well can help enhance your problem solving skills. Any software developed out here, it's supposed to solve a particular problem in mind. Probably the issue is on maybe managing videos. Probably that is how TikTok came to be. Probably the problem is communication, and probably that is how Facebook came to be, and so many other softwares out there. There's Microsoft Word, which is solely for working with Word documents, and there is the Microsoft Excel, working with Excel documents that really help with data analysis, and so many other software that you know. That is the second point on problem solving skills. Programming can complement your creativity as our third point. As you can see, once you're able to come up with your own solutions, this really enhances your creativity, simply because programming will allow you to build a solution based on how you actually want it to be, and this is what really enhances your creativity, because you're doing what you actually believe, and you're giving the computer a set of instructions on how you would want it to go about handling a particular task that you have in mind. Number 4 is that programming is a universal language. It doesn't matter where you are. Programming as it is in US is the same as it is here in Kenya, and this one really helps us to know that wherever we may be, Python programming will always remain to be Python programming. JavaScript will always remain to be JavaScript. The same standards stand for regardless of where you are in this world. The 5th point is that programmers are part of a community. Once you join the programming world, you're going to get so many other people who've been there before you, and this is going to really help you in case you have issues, you come across issues in your programming journey. Being part of that community really gives you an identity, and it really gives you confidence to keep pushing forward And yeah, the sixth point is on programming can really improve your career prospects. There are so many companies out there which are looking for programmers, and they really also really pay well. Programming gigs really pay well. Microsoft, Safaricom, the likes, Facebook, they are all looking for programmers who can really help them achieve their goals. And these career prospects really come in, they really pay well. Probably I can give you an instance of Microsoft. I hear that the starting salary is about 500,000 shillings, which here in Kenya is really some amount. So these are among the advantages of knowing how to program. We will continue conversation as we go about the course. So let us now define what a programming language is. A programming language is more like a natural language, the natural languages that we speak. Like for me, I know Kiswahili, I know English, and I also know a little bit of my mother tongue. So the same way these natural languages that I speak communicate with people, is the same way how programming languages help us communicate with the computer. The same concepts that are applied in natural language construction are the same applied in programming. You will see this as we become more conversant with the course that is ahead of you. For this course, we are going to be learning every core concept in the Python programming language. Python is one of the most popular programming languages. It is also a very easy programming language, and it was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So it's been here for a while. It has been used for automation, artificial intelligence and machine learning, conducting data analysis, and building applications and websites. As we go about the course, we are also going to undertake two projects in automation and machine learning that are really going to help you see the power of Python in building such kind of projects. I really hope that you are very eager to get started with this course. Just in case you are a beginner, I need you not to worry, because I will hold your hand till the end of the course and make sure that you understand all concepts. The course will be filled with quizzes that will help you practice and understand more about what you will be learning. You can always directly ask me questions. I am here to help. My name is George Karama, and I will be leading you through this course. See you inside.